So, what are the things that you find weird about Shona? How about Nyaudzosingwi? Onomatopoeia. My niece sent me this tweet and I just found it so funny. Hansi, the Shona language is just a load of onomatopoeia. I can't disagree with that. From when I heard thunder and lightning being called mabanangana, I just knew whoever created this language was a madman. How can you call a party or a rave din din din? I mean, you can hear it. You can hear the bass going din din din. Bururuka is a very unnecessarily violent word for fly, but you can hear the wings. You can hear the bird's wings go brrr, brrr, bururuka. Shona is a very colorful language, and I love that about it. So, what do you find weird, or what do you love about Shona? Tell me in the comments below.